Today we're going to talk about websites. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're going to need a website at some point in time. Super important. But the problem with a website is that there's so many choices. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of choices. So where do you look? What do you do? Well, that's how we're going to solve the problem today. We're here to solve your problem, your affiliate marketing problem of what website can you create. But how do you get a website to load in less than 1 second and be less than $10? So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to create you a website that is loading for WordPress in less than 1 second and is $10 a month. You ready? You ready to do it? We're going to go. Let's do it. Yeah. Right, let's do it. Okay. First of all, we've got to go to getters.at/Cloudways. That'll take us into the Cloudways starting point here. And click on the start for free. And you just got to sign up, add your details in here, put whatever spoof in that you like. It's no big deal. You know, okay, we're just making this up here. And basically, you know, we want to agree to the conditions and off we go. Now, it's pretty fast. Are you ready for it being pretty fast? It's pretty fast to set up. You don't need a credit card. You don't need anything to get up and going except a couple of ideas and a name for your actual managed app. Now, what the heck is a managed app? Well, a managed app basically is a server. We're going to tell you more about that. If you want to learn more about a VPS and server, then check up in this video up here. Now, so you're ready to rock and roll. It's super fast. It's like rolling. Now, straight away, you're welcome. Let's get rid of that. And basically, we got to just put a name in here. It's super quick. It's super fast. There's not a lot of stuff to actually be focused around here. Okay. Managed server. Well, we don't need to worry about a server or anything. DigitalOcean. Well, this is the one we're going to choose today. Check up in the video up here about more about DigitalOcean, and I'll tell you about how you can get this server for half the price of what you've got here. But check that video out. It's in the description in the below. So choose DigitalOcean, scroll down, and even though it recommends 2 gig, basically go down to 1 gig because that will give it you for $10 a month. Can you see the prices down the bottom here? Yep, we're going to choose the location. So we're going to choose London, and notice that basically we're paying per hour. This is amazing. So you're not paying per month, it's how much you use per hour. And no credit card for the trial period. Isn't that superb? So we're going to choose London. There are other locations. Here's a couple of them. So London's our choice. And oops, we can't do it because we need to sign up with our email. No worries. Let's dive into our email. And look, there it is. There's the message from the Cloudways. Off we go. It wants to know our phone number. So it wants a little bit of details because it's not asking for a credit card number. So it's understandable that it wants a little bit of information just to verify who you are. So plug in your phone number here, and then it's going to give you a verify code. So it like knows who you are. It's verified your email address. It's verified your phone number. You're rocking and rolling, and we're in. And notice now we can launch now. Yes! Aha! Whoo! And it's costing us 5 cents an hour. Woo! 42 a month. So we've done something wrong here. Okay, let's correct that in a second. Okay, we've got to go back to the top and basically change the details because we've forgotten that we needed to add our phone number. So no worries, start again, scroll down, mistakes are good. And choose DigitalOcean again. As I said, basically, check out in the video and the link up here, and that'll tell you more about why DigitalOcean is so amazing and how you can get this particular server for half the price of what you're getting over here. But you're not getting quite the full value, of course. So, okay, there we go. 13.1 cents an hour. Great. Launch now. We're off. Like, yes. Oh, we can actually get some money from this doing affiliate marketing. How cool is that? Well, we'll close that down for now. And it's building our server. This is a VPS, a virtual private server. And check out in this video here about what a VPS is, and you'll find out more about that. Oh, coffee time. But wow, 7 minutes it's going to build this server. It's like, whoa, I'm rocking. Oh, this is a tech cave here. Welcome to my tech cave. Hey, while you're waiting for that to build, why not look at the video down below? Because you're going to have to integrate this with your site. If you've got an existing WordPress site that you want to migrate, it's got a great migration tool. Watch this video down below and thumbs up, away it goes. It's going to give you some great results. And just click through here and let's see. Oh, there we go. If you've got an existing WordPress site, you can just plug in the details using the plugin. It's free, and then basically activate it and off you go. Put in the details that it provides you, and like it will migrate the file in next to no time. It normally takes around about 45 minutes to 1.5 hours depending on the size of your website to migrate it. Now this is building the server now. We've got 5 more minutes. It's done. Whoa! We've got messages from Cloudways. Whoa! Emails welcoming us. A lot of great stuff is happening. And notice there it is, it's in London. You can see down here on the left-hand side, our service called WOW, and it's got an IP address 165.227.232.129 in London. Now, that's quite specific because we're choosing London because that's our closest audience. So you want to watch about latency and all that sort of thing, check it in this video up here and check it in the description about latency and why you should choose your server close to your target market. Okay, let's pick up the URL. There it is. Whoa, WordPress. And let's test the speed now. Gtmetrix, here we go, off we go, we're zooming. Gtmetrix is the best tool for speed benchmarking. Choose London as your location. Off we go, we're analyzing, it's gonna chug a little. Now, is it gonna load in less than 1 second? Are you ready? Oh my goodness, did it do it? Did it do it? Can't see, can't see. But we've got 100 and 95%, got an A. Scrolling down, 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. It's actually loaded in 478 milliseconds. Look down the bottom here, 478 milliseconds. So, and we're a grade A. Woo! Wow! Is that not rocking? Is that not rocking? Welcome to my tech cave. This is a tech cave helping you do your affiliate marketing tech. Wow. Time to first byte, TTFB, 118 milliseconds. That's fast. It's pretty fast, very fast. And what if we wanted to get it quicker? Okay, you want to get it quicker? Let's do it. Let's do a quicker test. Now, I've set up a server. I've done a little bit of smoothing magic to speed this up even more. Check up in this description here, check up in the video here about how to speed up your website even more on top of this particular platform. Look, we've got a 2% increase, 4% increase. We've dropped down 44 milliseconds. Wow, how cool is that? Look at that. We're now in a little fraction, we cut it down, but remember it's going red hot already, but we've even made it more red hot. Look here now at the actual comparison. The one on the right is all about the one on the server that we've just done. We've just done the tweaks, a little bit of special magic. Check out that video. So you can see that we're 100%, almost absolute 100%. How cool is that? Now, are you impressed? This is $10 a month. You pay by the hour. If you don't like it, you dump it. You can migrate your files very easily. Cloudways. It's one of the best systems that I've come across, and it's just absolutely incredible what it can do in such a short period of time. You can get absolutely incredible results with your website. Now, I haven't covered off why the heck do you need a fast website. There's a few things why you need a website that's red hot these days. One, Google has moved that right to the very top of its stack of priorities about what is a good website, because mobile now has become mobile first. So that means that Google is looking for high speeds on mobile. So if your website is not rocketing and getting to the top, your ranking is going to drop down. Now, if this is your affiliate marketing website, you want free traffic. So how cool is that if you can get a website loading this fast? Now, of course, this is a blank website, so there's a disclaimer here. There's nothing much in that website, but still it's red hot. Now, if you build on top of that, and I'll show you how to do that so that it doesn't add too much to the load time, you can actually have super, super fast speeds. And that means your conversion rate is going to be so much higher from when people come in, because things are happening on your website fast. It's like pumping. Google's going to pump it up so you're going to get more free traffic. And if you're ready, and if you do advertising, if you advertise with Google, then Google's price, from what I know, will drop. They change the rules all the time, but Google's price will drop, so your bidding costs will reduce because it's like a super red hot website, which is what Google wants. So your advertising costs can drop as well. How cool is that? So these are some of the key reasons why you want a website. Now, for $10 a month, like, where else could you get it for $10 a month? For this speed, now this is a VPS. This is your own server. Check out that video about what a VPS is, because it's like a box. It's your own box. And basically it belongs to you. You can do whatever you like with it. And you can go right down, get all technical, and you can run multiple websites on this server. Now, of course, you notice that I chose 1 gig memory. Yeah? It's actually got one CPU and one memory. You can actually scale up at any point in time. So this website gets a lot of traffic and pumping. There's no big deal to do. You just press a few buttons and blub, blub, blub. Within a few seconds, you've got your server scaled up and pumping through higher volumes of traffic. This website has got what's called a super stack in it. It's basically built all in a very specific way, which makes it amazingly fast. So, and it's scalable and will handle a tremendous amount of traffic for $10. How cool is that? And it's like 0.1 cent per hour. So basically that's pretty cool. So I hope you got something out of this today. Welcome to my tech cave. Everything about tech for affiliate marketing is what this place is about. Come back again soon. And yay, let's pump again soon. Woo!